In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding a border to your slides can enhance the visual appeal of your presentation and help frame your content beautifully. So let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the Insert tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. You can find the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint interface, and the Insert tab usually stands out, making it easy to locate. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Shapes, and from the drop-down menu, select the standard rectangle option. Now you'll want to use your mouse to click and drag across the PowerPoint slide to draw the rectangle shape. Try to position it over the area where your content is located, ensuring it's just the right size to frame everything you want to include. Once you have your rectangle drawn, it will generally come with a solid color fill, which is typically blue by default. To transform this into an outline border instead, you'll need to do a few more things. Begin by right-clicking on the rectangle shape you created. From the context menu that appears, select the option that says Format Shape. Now this is where the magic happens. In the Format Shape window, you'll see several options, but we'll focus on the Fill and Line options. Click on the Fill options first, and go ahead and select No Fill. This action will completely remove the background color from inside your rectangle, turning it into a transparent frame that outlines your content perfectly. Next, let's move to the line options. Here, you can choose your desired border color. For example, picking a bold red can make your border really stand out. After selecting your border color, you can also adjust the width to increase the thickness of the border line. Setting it to about 5 points gives you a nice, strong outline that's noticeable without being overwhelming. Now that you've formatted your border, it's time to ensure it layers correctly on your slide. With your border still selected, look for the Arrange properties in your toolbar and click on Send to Back. This is a crucial step because it places your newly created border behind all your text boxes and pictures. By doing this, it prevents any obstruction while you're editing or clicking around on your slide content. Finally, if you want to reuse this border for other slides, there's an easy shortcut. Instead of creating a new border from scratch every time, you can right-click your finished slide in the thumbnail panel on the left. Once you do that, select Duplicate Slide. This action duplicates the entire slide, including your formatted border. From there, you can easily delete or modify the internal content for your next point, saving you time and effort. And there you have it. That's how to add a border in PowerPoint. With just a few steps, you can significantly enhance the look of your slides and make your presentation more engaging. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Happy